Hello, here we are going to learn Write English Right, Argument and Discussion. On most courses, it is not enough to show that you are familiar with the leading authorities. Students are expected to study the conflicting views on any topic and engage with them. This means analyzing and critiquing them if, if appropriate. This unit presents way of demonstrating your familiarity with both sides of argument and presenting your own conclusion in a suitable academic manner. Discussion vocabulary. Essay titles commonly ask students to discuss a topic. Children will learn a foreign language more easily if it is integrated with another subject discussed. This requires an evaluation of both the benefits and the disadvantages of the topic with a section of the essay, sometimes headed discussion, in which a summary of this is made. The following vocabulary can be used. Benefits, advantage. Benefit, drawback. Advantage, disadvantage. A positive aspect, negative feature. Pro, con, plus, minus. One major advantage, a serious drawback is. One drawback to integrating content and language is the demand it places on the teacher. A significant benefit of teaching a subject through a language is the increased motivation to master the language. Organization. This discussion section can be organized in two ways, either by grouping the benefits in one paragraph and the disadvantages in another, or by examining the subject from different viewpoints. For example, the following essay title can be discussed in two ways so shown. Prisons do little to reform criminals and their use should be limited. Discuss. The language of discussion. When discussion common ideas, avoid personal phrases such as in my opinion or personally. Use impersonal phrases instead of such as. It is generally accepted that working from home saves commuting time. It is widely agreed that email and internet reduce reliance on the office. Most people appear to need face-to-face contact with colleagues. It is probable that more companies will encourage working from home. These phrases suggest a minority viewpoint. It can be argued that home working encourages time wasting. Our view is that home workers become isolated. Counter arguments. Counter arguments are ideas that are opposite to your ideas. In an academic discussion, you must show that you are familiar with both sides of the argument and provide a reason to support your position. It is useful to deal with the counter argument first before giving your view. It is claimed that prisons are needed to isolate dangerous criminals from society, but while this may be true in some cases, more commonly prisons act as universities of crime, which reinforces criminal behavior. Providing evidence. Normally, your conclusion on a topic follow an assessment of the evidence. You must show that you have studied the relevant sources, since only then can give a balanced judgment. Cause and effect. Academic work frequently involves demonstrating a link between a cause such as cold winter and an effect such as increasing illness. This unit explains two methods of describing the link, with a focus either on the cause or the effect. The language of cause and effect. The writer may choose to put the emphasis on either the cause or the effect. In both cases, either a verb or conjunction can be used to show the link. Focus on cause. With the verbs, the heavy rain caused created Liddu resulted in produced the flood. With conjunction, because of, due to, owing to, as a result, the heavy rain, there was a flood. Cohesion. Cohesion means joining a text together with reference words and conjunction. To that, the whole text is clear and readable. This unit practices the use of differences words with conjunction or examined in. Reference work. These are used to avoid repetition. So here Leonardo da Vinci was a 15th century Italian genius who produced only a handful of finished works. However, they include the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, the former perhaps the most famous painting in the world. Although he is remembered mainly as an artist, he also was an innovative engineer, scientist, and entomologist. Presentation prevention confusion. To avoid confusing the reader, it is important to use reference words only when the reference is clear. For example, Pablo Picasso moved to Paris in 1940, worked with George from 1908 to 1999. He became interested in analyzing a form which led to Cubism. In case is not clear which person he refers to, so to avoid this, right? Comparisons. It is often necessary to make comparison in academic writing. The comparison might be subject of the essay or might provide evidence for the argument. In all cases, it is important to explain clearly what is being compared and make the comparison as accurate as possible. Comparison structure. Some studies are based on comparisons. Look at these examples. The purpose of this study is to compare Chinese and American consumers on their propensity to use self-service technology. The first attempt to decode the human genome took 10 years. In two basic comparative forms, France is larger than Switzerland. The students were happier after the exam.